This man ended up killing 14 children because of his careless driving. On the morning of the 19th of January 2026, a private scholar transport minibus carrying learners collided with a truck near Vanderbijl Park in the Vale region, south of Johannesburg. The learner vehicle was a Toyota Quantum transporting 14 schoolchildren on their way to school. 14 learners were killed in the collision. Several others were injured, with 3 pupils hospitalized and at least some in critical condition. Government of South Africa, +1. Some reports initially counted 12 teen deaths before being updated to 14 as more young victims succumbed to injuries. Early investigations suggest the scholar transport vehicle attempted to overtake vehicles and entered the oncoming lane, colliding with the truck. The 22-year-old driver was arrested after being discharged from hospital. The story, this accident says, the man was driving the scholar bus, was a son of a school transport owner. Jimmy Vinger's son, Ayanda Dludla, 22-year-old, who was driving the minibus, and his schoolgirl daughter, who was a passenger, were the only 2 in the vehicle not killed in Monday's crash in Vanderbijl Park, while Vinger's 2 younger daughters, who usually travel in the taxi, did not go that day. May their soul rest in peace. Tell us down below on you think.